Today on Victorian Plumbing, we're going to show you how to install a vanity unit. This video is to be used as a guide only, and we always advise that you seek professional help. Now, the first thing I like to do when I install any vanity unit is, of course, dummy it up in position. So figure out where those pipes are coming in and then work out where your vanity unit needs to sit. In this example, the pipes come from the floor. In some cases, you'll find they come from the wall. So it's important that you spend that little bit of time to figure out where those pipes are coming in relation to where your taps, waste, sink, and vanity unit need to sit. So our vanity unit's in place and it's nice and level. We can now fix it to the wall. I always use my back rail to fix a vanity unit to the wall. Sometimes you'll find that this rail here has pre-drilled pilot holes. I'd advise that you know what you're fixing the vanity unit to, whether it's a solid wall, timber wall, or a hollow wall. If you have to, you can even stick this with blobs of contact adhesive or silicone to stop it from moving. Nice and sturdy. That is how you install a floor standing vanity unit, and in the next video, we're going to cover how to install the sink on the top of it. You can find a wide range of vanity units on the Victorian Plumbing website. We'll pop a link in the description and we'll see you in the next video.